Look up at me, Nana.
Hmm?
Look up at me.
I got to watch my baby. Should just slide a little bit so easier.
Yeah, I have to use my thumb.
I should ask you to pick me up some Sudafed, vet.
We got plenty.
I don't know where the heck we have it.
I think it's either in that bag or in my purse.